Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to solve a big problem that our students usually face: how to become a good speaker. So I'm going to give you great speaking tip that is number one, and you will become an effective English speaker. So what are you waiting for? Let's take a start. Remember, the tip is you better have to come out of your comfort zone. Yes, this is very important. Now, what is coming out from our comfort zone? When we are so much scared and afraid to face the people, thinking that what if I sound so silly while talking in front of audience, or I make grammatical mistakes, or if boys are looking at me, the girls are looking at me, or what if they feel I'm not a very strong person, and you give it up. This is not a correct approach. The correct approach, though, is you work on your intonation. What is it? It's rise and fall of your voice while you are talking, in simple words. And intonation plus the right tone does the magic. And if you do that, all of your problems will be solved. Now let's do it step by step. I would be giving you 3 examples of basic intonation: asking question, checking for information, or expressions of emotion such as surprise and curiosity. Shall we take a start? The first one is asking questions. Remember, when you ask question, the rising intonation should be at the end of the question. For instance, did you go to the university today? Now you do. Did you go to the university today? So the next example is he your friend in the corner? Is he your friend in the corner? Number 2, checking for information or your understanding when you are trying to confirm that what you're thinking or what information you have is the correct one. For instance, you like this perfume, don't you? Now you try. You like this perfume, don't you? Another one. It's getting so cold in here, isn't it? Number 3, expressions of emotion or surprise and curiosity, such as what? Wow, no way, like that. Oh my God, is this you who made? When you cannot even recognize your friend. Oh my God, is this you who made? Wow, you are a genius. Wow, you are a genius. Another one, curiosity. What? You got a new car? When? Hope it was an interesting exercise and you got what I wanted to give you as a message. You better come out from your comfort zone. This will solve all of your problems, but don't forget, intonation plus the right tone is the key. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. Ding the bell for the upcoming videos. Stay happy, stay healthy.